everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to control a passive buzzer using a potentiometer. So let's get started. So in this video, we will control passive buzzer using potentiometer. So what is passive buzzer? Basically, passive buzzer is the electronic components that produce sound using an external signals, unlike an active buzzer. Mostly passive buzzers are used in alarm, timers, and other devices where sound is used as a signal or an alert. So basically, in this video, we will control a frequency of a passive buzzer by using a potentiometer. So let's go over the components we needed for this project. So first we need a breadboard for a temporary circuit designing. Then we use Arduino Uno. A potentiometer, a passive buzzer, some jumper wires, a USB cable that connects the Arduino Uno with the PC, so let's get started our project. So first we insert passive buzzer into the breadboard. Then we connect the negative side of passive buzzer with the ground by using black jumper wire. Then we connect the positive side of buzzer with the pin number 8 by using red jumper wire. Now we insert potentiometer into the breadboard. Then we connect the one side of potentiometer with 5 volt by using red jumper wire. Then we connect the middle pin of potentiometer with A0. In last, we connect the last pin of potentiometer with the ground by using black jumper wire. Then we connect the Arduino Uno with the PC by using USB cable. Now we open Arduino IDE and start writing the code. First we define the frequency of musical notes by using define statement. Then we define melody array in which we hold the sequence of the notes to be played. After this we define note duration in which we contain duration for each notes. Then we define pin for potentiometer. Then we create a setup function in which we initialize the serial communication to allow debugging message to be printed. And last we create a loop function. First we read the potentiometer value. Then we map the potentiometer value to the pitch factor. After this, we print the potentiometer value and calculate the pitch factor to the serial monitoring for the debugging purpose. Then we run the loop through each notes in a melody array by using for loop. Then we adjust the each note frequency. Then we calculate the current note duration. Then we play the notes. Then we calculate pause between notes. After this, we wait for the pause duration. In last, we stop the tone. This line stop the tone before moving on the next notes in the loop. After completing the whole code, we upload the code. So there you have it. We have successfully controlled a passive buzzer. As you all can see, we can change the frequency of buzzer by using potentiometer. So if you like this tutorial, give it thumbs up, subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.